Everyone says that studying in nursing school is so hard, but let's talk a little bit more about how I adapted to learning to study to be able to answer NCLEX style questions. So, NCLEX style questions are a little bit different because you're not just regurgitating the information that you're learning in class, you're actually applying that information. So, something that I've learned is my first semester in nursing school, I did not work nearly as much as I do now. Now I work probably between 35 and 40 hours a week most weeks, but I really dedicated my time to understanding the content. So, breaking down the information in patho and pharm to make sure I genuinely understood what it meant, what these conditions were, what they caused. So now when I'm in other classes, I'm learning about the conditions, but I'm more so thinking about, okay, what is it? And then how are we going to treat it as a nurse? And with that, it's made studying so much. And I think it's just because I already have the foundational knowledge. So as time goes on, I've just learned more and more to think like a nurse, if you will, or think about things that I would care about if I am in a nursing role and be able to apply those to questions. So, for instance, if I know somebody is diabetic or they have an acute kidney injury or chronic kidney disease, for instance, I'm thinking about things like how are we going to protect their kidneys when I'm taking care of them with these other conditions, avoiding nephrotoxic drugs, making sure that they're getting adequate hydration, things like that. If that makes sense, it's really just kind of expanding on that foundational content that you learn. So, if you do genuinely take the time to learn the content the first time, then later on you're just kind of applying and building on what you've learned. And I found that I study way less now because I have the foundational knowledge and I'm just thinking of it more on an application basis. If you're in nursing school, let me know if this is the same for you or any other study tips and tricks you have down below. And don't forget to follow for more.